Hi everyone, good morning. Once again, welcome back to my new video. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well and learning this language a great manner. Okay, I'm also doing quite well and fantastic. Everything is all right. Everything is all right by Mighty God. Okay, so first of all, I introduce myself. This is Chansing Maravi. In front of you once again. Okay, I am from Madhya Pradesh, a part of India. Okay, and you are watching my video. My English is speaking practice journey. Okay, so if you new in this video, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel, which name is English with Answer. Okay, so that you can get a notification whenever whenever I upload my video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can get instantly a notification, and you can watch my video. Okay, and you can understand whatever I am saying on my video. Okay, so today so please I request you subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I have come in this side for morning walk, especially every single day in the morning I have come I have come in this side daily. Okay, I have come. I used to come in my childhood in this side, okay, for grazing cow, and especially in this side for my new work. I have come daily, okay, and I'm thinking while walking, and I am decided I record a video, and yeah, I make a video, okay, and for practicing, for improving my spoken English. Yeah, okay, so after recording, after making my video, I have watched and understand, and I try to catch my mistake, and next time next time I try too little bit mistake. Okay, so mistake, don't worry, don't afraid. I'm not afraid for mistaking. Okay, mistakes is a learning apart. Yeah, if you mistake, so you can learn more. Okay, so mistakes is a learning apart. Okay, so you can see behind me a lot of trees available in this side. Some trees are big, some trees are short. Okay, so a lot of trees in this side. This scenery is very attractive. Okay, so very beautiful scenery in this side. Okay, yeah. Uh, so friends, without delay, let's get it started in this video. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about something important. Yeah, so today I'm going to talk about why learning is important. Okay, so in this time, why everyone want to learn this language. Okay, and every parents want to send their children in English medium school. So okay, so in this video I try to understand why English is important. Okay, what is the reason, okay, English is important. Yeah, so as you know guys, as you know, um it is a international language. It is a uh, global language. Okay, and as well as it is a communication language. Okay, so that's why every person want to learn this language. Okay, and but the question arises, how to improve, English, our English, and okay, so yeah, practice. Only one thing is important: practice. Practice and consistency. If you consistent in this language, okay, and on daily basis, where you have a practice, okay, you can practice. So definitely, your English improved a lot. Okay, and a drastic change after some days. You can see a drastic change in your life. Yeah, so but through this language, our confidence, uh, gradually improve. Okay, so in order to enhance your confidence and your speaking language. Okay, so practice is the most important. Practice is the key for success. Yeah. Only one thing: practice and consistency. Okay, and create surrounding your English environment, artificial in English environment. Okay, our country is not English country. Okay, and we can't we can't we can't find our surrounding area English partner. Okay, so you can artificial, you try to create artificial environment. Okay, you have a mobile, and with a mobile you can improve your English language. So I'm going to talk about in this video why English is important. So as you know guys, as you know friend, uh, English holds a significant place, a significant place in today's globalized world. Okay, so in today's globalized world, and English serving as a bridge. English serving as a bridge between people from different cultures and background. So I would like to describe here some key reasons, why English is important. Okay, so the first point is global communication. Okay, global communication. Yeah, so English. English is widely spoken as a second language. Okay, and making it a crucial tool for international communication and understanding. Okay, the second thing is education and research. Okay, so a vast amount of academic literatures, uh, research papers and educational materials okay, are published in English language. Are published in English language. Okay, and in English language. Yeah. Okay. So and the second thing is uh, proficiency in English is highly valued by employers. Yeah, by multinational companies, by multinational companies. Okay, so and opening doors to a wider range. For job opportunities both locally and internationally, okay. And English is the language of popular culture, including music, movie, and literatures okay, and providing access to knowledge, and providing access to knowledge and informations worldwide. Okay, and English is English is spoken as a English is spoken as a worldwide, yeah. Okay, and English is spoken in tourist destinations, only for certain travel and culture actions. Yeah, okay. So and English roles. English plays a significant role in the field of science, technology, and innovation. Okay, and innovation. Yeah. So overall, English is a very most important language in this era. Okay, so that's why every person want to speak this language. Yeah, and overall, I think English serves as a valuable tool for personal and professional growth, and cultural enrichment and global interconnected. Yeah, global interconnected. Okay, so so English is very important. This type, yeah, okay. And my native language is Hindi, and if you know in this language, so so you can subscribe easily over the world. Okay, if you want to go abroad, so you can if you speak this language, if you know in this language, so easily you can subscribe. Okay, and easy way you can interact with people around the world. Okay, and understand their cultures. Okay, so yeah, so English is a very most important thing for learning this language. Yeah, and you have a if you want to this language, and if you comfort in this language. So you have a lot of opportunities for job opportunities, okay, and your confidence boost, okay, high confidence you have, okay. Yeah, so this type of English is the most important thing, yeah, in this era, okay. Okay guys, so this type of practice I have daily, and in this side I have come and practice, okay. So you can see behind me a lot of trees available, yeah. Scenery is the most important thing, and sunny day, and sunny day you can and sunny day in this morning, yeah. So yeah, okay guys, that's it for now, and very soon, see you soon, my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.